Eurogrind's blade sharpener offers a higher quality performance with its unique 3-stage grind process, delivering 30% more grind on each tooth of the blade. Its highly efficient and rigid fluid control system manages the flow of grinding fluid effectively, preventing wastage of fluid and protecting the machine. The arms allow for the sharpening of a greater variety of blade sizes. Easily adjusted, they can accommodate blades up to 7 meters long and 65 millimeters wide, providing greater flexibility in the machine's operational capabilities. Packaging and storing the machine is simple. The machine's arms unscrew at their center and the sides of the machine and can be easily clipped into their storage positions underneath, easily and readily retrievable. Completely packed, the machine comes to a tidy size of 585 mm by 646 mm by 624 mm, enabling convenient and compact storage and transportation. The machine is easily operated and monitored from its control panel. This control panel on the front of the machine is simple and intuitive, sporting controls for each aspect of the grinding process, a speed control, as well as an emergency stop button. A clear window is situated in the cover above the control panel, allowing the operator to observe what is happening inside the machine without having to shut down and open the cover.